Welcome to Tunisia. So it's a brand new country for us and a brand new continent. We've never been to Africa before, so we're really excited for this trip.
We are in the capital city of Tunis and we are about to walk into the Medina. There is a lovely archway here. This is like the historic old town. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna start the day off here and we're gonna see what it's all about.
Let's go!
So we got to cross the road, which is the first thing. This archway right here, that is the entrance into the Medina. So we got to cross the road and walk through that.
It's very impressive.
It's lovely.
The Tunisia flag on the top. Very, very nice. I'm excited for this.
Thank you very much.
This way.
Through the little gap there. Ooh. Oh, nice.
Ooh, that wasn't so bad.
That wasn't so bad.
Weather update as well, 30 degrees. So yeah, it's very, very hot. But we're not complaining. We like the sun, we like the heat.
Okay, we're in.
Oh, wow, very, very nice. Look at this building here.
Yeah. There's actually a street just outside the Medina here, and they say it's like the Champs-Élysées of Tunis, because there is a big French influence here. So yeah, some of the architecture can be a little French looking, but yeah, the market itself is very Tunisian. We're going to have a little walk and see what there is to get. I imagine it's going to be hectic and chaotic and full of energy. So
let's go. No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Tattoos. Already people are trying to sell things, but that's what you're going to get in America, and we kind of like it, you know. We're throwing ourselves into it. We're going to see what they're selling, and we might maybe pick up a few bits as well. I think we're lost. It's like a maze. Oh my god, there's so many different streets, like these little alleys, and they just lead into one another, and they're selling so many things, like everything. The only thing is we're afraid to kind of go up and ask unless you're buying, or you're going to be kind of hounded. But it's like that in every market, and anyone will know that who's watching, who has visited a market. So yeah, we're kind of just having a little nose as we're walking by, but yeah, some of the stuff looks really nice. As we're walking through, you can just get this like really strong smell of incense and spices. And funny enough, it's actually kind of taken me back to India a little bit, because I think the last time we were in a market like this was probably in India.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Hey.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Hey.
Good, how are you?
One distinctive difference between the markets in India, which you're referencing there, is that in the markets here in Tunisia don't seem to be overly on top of you to go into their shop or to buy something. They do kind of ask you to look, but if you don't want to, they're quite relaxed. They just go, okay, like, you know, where in India it's a bit different, where they're kind of they're pestering you. Yeah, a bit more pushy. But here's a little bit more relaxed, which makes the experience of walking around the market much better. Yeah, there's literally everything and anything you can purchase here. There's just every single, there must be hundreds of thousands of stalls here.
Thousands.
Isn't there?
Hello, welcome.
Hello, hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Thank you.
As you can see, the people are very friendly and nice.
Okay.
Yeah. Just waiting in the queue.
A lot of clothes being sold. A lot of clothes. And hats and things like that. But then there's some other shops then that have like kind of kitchenware and stuff like that. So yeah, like we said, it's just a huge variety of things that you can buy. I don't know.
Some lovely traditional things. I'm seeing lovely rugs and all, and like just
Yeah,
kind of
textiles
different
and things
kind
like
of
that, yeah.
Tunisian things. Like there's some parts of the market that you walk through and it's kind of the same, similar stuff like shoes, bags, jewellery, makeup, and then you come to kind of unique little sections then.
Yeah. This is what we're looking at. You.
So we've made out now of the market, but I don't think it's the end of the market. We're kind of just in a middle section, and then it looks like it kind of goes over there. But yeah, we're going to try find a coffee. We really want to try a traditional Tunisian coffee.
So we're on the
we've seen
lookout.
they're selling like kind of the little coffee mugs and stuff in the market. I don't know if that's how they're served, but I'm interested to see.
Yeah, it is quite difficult to navigate where you are in the market and where you enter and then come out of the market. It's kind of difficult to know exactly where you are. But and yeah, as Amanda said, it seems to be endless and just goes on and on and on. But yeah, it's mad. I mean, you've probably seen some of the clips. Some of the clips we just left, as in we just filmed to kind of give you the experience of just walking with us, if you like. So I didn't really say too much, but you can kind of get a feel of what it's exactly like here. Well, I'm hoping you can from watching those clips. Yeah, it's crazy, but very interesting. Oh, go ahead. Busy, isn't it?
It's very crowded in a tight little alleyway, but I love a good market when we get to a place. The smells like of all the spices and then just the chaos of it. But yeah, really worth a visit. A lot of places only took cash as well, so just FYI if you do visit, and you should, especially if you want to kind of pick up some local gifts to bring home.
As we walked towards the outskirts of the Medina, we came across this stall that was selling something that is very, very popular in Tunisia. It's called makroud, and we were told that we couldn't leave the market without trying these, that these were going to be absolutely delicious and a real taste of Tunisia. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh.
That was really nice. I was getting a little kind of, we're guessing a Tunisian treat. It kind of looks like baklava, but I don't actually think it is it? But he's after giving us it's a try for free. Oh my god.
It's lovely, isn't it?
That gorgeous.
We actually seen it from across the road and decided to come over to pick up some little snacks, and the guy just gave it to us as a little sample. But I think we'll be getting more.
Are getting more of these. They're really nice. They kind of have I think it kind of is like a version of baklava. It kind of has that stickiness on the outside, like a kind of sticky glaze. And then I'm not really quite too sure what's in the inside, but
it's kind of peanutty. There's like a peanut taste of it.
It's amazing. He just put a fresh batch out, so they're really hot as well. Let's get some more.
Yeah.
We're asking some locals for recommendations. I think we're going to try and get like a mix of like a few of them. They all look quite delicious, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
They're like mini donuts.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what they look like.
Yeah.
They probably taste better.
So I think over 2 of these and 2 of the donuts. What do you
Will we?
think?
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay, yeah.
just to mix it up.
Yeah.
So how it works is it's actually sold by the kilo, and they have a box, so we can get a mix. Thank you, thank you, thank you, boy. So that's we thought we could buy them individually, but
We have some more.
with more samples. Oh my god,
Yeah, some more samples.
more samples. So he's actually boxing up a variety of different treats here, and we're gonna get them. So, but yeah, he also gave us this as a sample. So
They're really nice. Not quite like a donut, but
like a sponge cake.
yeah,
Ah, sweet.
that's quite a big box.
That's lovely. It's like it is like a sponge cake with kind of a glazing on top, and it's kind of fried. It's very, very nice.
That's unreal.
I better pay the man.
So we got our 1 kilo box of Tunisian desserts, cakes, pastries. So yeah, these were really, really cheap as well. We put the price here, but can't wait to dig into these later on now. These will be a nice snack for us.
And the people really nice so far, like the interactions we've had.
Oh my god, they're so friendly.
Aren't they?
Yes, so friendly. And even though there's like a language barrier as well, like some of them
Yeah.
are speaking French and some of them are speaking Arabic.
Yeah.
And then some of them have a little bit of English too, but like just that interaction at the stall there.
Yeah.
Like we just walked over and we were looking at the cakes, and straight away he was giving us some to try for free.
Yeah.
And then even the people that were in the kind of queue with us as well, they were like recommending like
Yeah.
with thumbs up, like this one, pointing
Yeah.
and going like, this is a good one to get. They're just really nice, even walking through the market there as well.
I know, yeah, they're just sort of friendly and just sort of smiley, and you can see that you're obviously a tourist and you may need help in certain things, but they're not overly forceful or anything like that, which I really like.
Definitely not, yes.
Okay, so we are out of the Medina and we've come onto the Avenue de France, I think it's called, but I could be wrong. Yeah, I said it's supposed to be similar to the Champs-Élysées in Paris. It's just this long avenue with restaurants and bars and things. So we pulled into one of the bars that are on the street here, and we picked up Tunisian beer, local beer. We were going to go for coffee, but we said we'll go for a beer. So this is our first one. It's called, what did he say the name of it was? Silva. Was it
Silva, something like that, yeah.
Right.
I actually couldn't remember there, only that you said Silva. It's like kind of similar to that. But yeah, this is it here. It's actually quite nice.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's needed after the hectic Medina.
Oh yes. Now we're kind of nice and chilled here. Lovely outdoor seating as well where you belong it.
Yeah.
It's really, really nice here. I'm very impressed with it, I have to say. So, as the title of the video asked, is Tunisia safe? From our experience, absolutely. We felt completely safe walking through the Medina in Tunis. It was such a memorable experience, full of rich history, vibrant colours and a truly welcoming atmosphere. And the locals, honestly, they were one of the best parts of the visit. Everyone we met was kind, helpful and happy to share a bit of their culture with us, from friendly greetings to shopkeepers pointing us in the right direction. If you've been on the fence about visiting, we'd definitely recommend it. It's definitely a spot we're glad we took the time to explore.
So if you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up just to support our channel. We have plenty more videos coming from Tunisia, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified as to when we upload. So once again, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.